Hey, I'm Evgeny and I'm representing the GuruScan team, and at the GuruScan we just decided to abandon our roadmap for a couple of weeks and participate in Canto Hackathon. We just decided to utilize what we have, and we have indexation pipeline hooked up to Canto archive node, so we have blocks, logs, transactions, receipts, all you basically need for Canto Explorer. And as currently there is no Canto Explorer with all set of features of GuruScan and like comprehensive features like read and write to smart contracts, verification, parsing of logs, traces, and so on and so forth. So we decided to build comprehensive block explorer in 2 weeks. To do that, we put GraphQL interface on top of our index storage. So we have all the data needed for block explorer exposed. And anyone can use it. If they would go to APIs, they would get to developers dev console, where they can generate the key and have the same API available for their developers' needs. So here we have blocks transactions. You can switch to Cosmos view. You can use actual search to search for transactions by address. In Cosmos views, we hadn't got further than this, but we would in the future. On transactions, you can filter by transactions, you can filter by ERC20 events, so it's swap means. You can, for the tokens page, you can see tokens holders, so who's holding token, which percentage, that's like part of balances functionality. In transaction page, you have overview with transfers parsed, with DeFi events parsed. You have logs parsed for known and verified smart contracts, and we have traces. Additionally, for any EOA address, we have ERC20 balances, and this is like expanded view of those balances. For contracts, we actually showing verified checkmark here if it's verified in Sourcify. You also see here some additional info for this is recanted token. And for unverified smart contracts, we put the disclaimer, and that basically our best guess on what that contract is, and we just fetch an API based on our best guess. And here we have an example of our administrative NFT smart contract, which allows us to pass over NFT to, let's say, developers' Canto team, and they can update metadata in Block Explorer if they need to by themselves. So, for example, put another message in here, like switch to Canto v4 for the users of the Block Explorer. So this is what I use for showing you that actual write interface is working. And whenever that is passed through, we should be able to see another kind of message in here. So coming back to the main page, we also have verify contract interface in here. This is just a proxy to Sourcify right now, but we would hook it up to actual Sourcify interface, and you have DEX metrics link, which gets you to DEX.guru, where you can see Canto DEX metrics overall. And here message changed. Thank you for your time, and yeah.